What kind of personality makes for a good operations manager? Now, operations managers are a unique bunch, and despite a wild variation of industries, the same skills and core professional knowledge binds so much of what they all do. And therefore, it's little surprise that the same personality traits, temperaments, and preferences are seen again and again in those who seek and rise into operations management, which is what I help people do with my Operations Management Accelerator program, linked below. Some traits that commonly unite most operations managers include analytical thinkers, using data and structure. Decision makers. Analysis is to make a decision, not to make more analysis. Results focused, not activity focused. Saying, we will achieve this, not we will do this and that. Resilient to stress, because deadlines and deliveries never stop. And finally, process oriented. Find a good way, define it, and follow it. But despite the similarities, there is quite a spectrum of operations management roles, where one ops manager would excel, would leave another really quite unsuited. Consider two prime examples of operations managers: an air traffic controller and a film director. Neither has the term ops manager in their job title, but most ops managers don't. Nonetheless, they are great examples. Both are responsible for the effective operation of large systems of organized resources, systematically creating value. At one end, we have the air traffic controller, the ultimate precision-focused, high-stakes controller. At the other, the film set director, a people-first, emotionally intelligent, chaos-wrangling leader. Both are operations managers, but their day-to-day experiences are very different, and the skills, preferences, and temperament that make for being great at one role would typically be maybe a bit of a hindrance to the other. The air traffic controller operations manager. So they are hyper-focused, strict adherence to prescribed processes, analytical, disciplined, risk-averse. They thrive in highly structured environments where small mistakes have big consequences. Other similar operations management roles include logistics and supply chain, mass manufacturing, a nuclear power plant. The common challenges of this type of operations manager? Well, the exact following of ultra-defined processes, keeping systems running with zero margin for error, because one mistake could mean disaster. These operations managers work in high-pressure, time-sensitive environments where process is king. They deliver precise, repetitive, predictable, perfect execution. If you love data, precision, and smooth running systems, this might be where you could thrive. Then, the film director operations manager. Extroverted, emotionally intelligent, adaptable, diplomatic, thriving in people-heavy environments where influence and initiative matters, an environment with more people and uncertainty. Other similar roles might be running the operations of a creative agency, a football head coach, hospitality and events, healthcare, construction. Some of their common daily challenges are managing skilled, independent professionals, who are sometimes difficult, whilst keeping everything on schedule. These operations managers are relationship builders, handling egos, emotions, and last-minute changes. Their success isn't measured in perfectly timed logistics. It's in their ability to motivate, inspire, and align people towards a common goal. If you are a natural negotiator, thrive in uncertainty, and love working with people, then this is probably your arena. And if all this sounds like the kind of career momentum you're looking for, then come and join our next cohort in my Operations Management Accelerator, a structured 4-week cohort program starting in early April, including live webinars and group support. Link in the description or comment below. So, where do you fit? The reality is, most operations managers fall somewhere between these two extremes. Some thrive in structured environments but still enjoy working with people. Others love managing personalities but need a little process to keep things moving. The key is knowing where your strengths lie and finding the right environment where you can excel. Are you more of an air traffic controller or film director? Comment below and reply to let us know where you think you fit, or what type of operations challenges excite you most.